Hi, it's Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at how to copy formulas without changing references. I'm going to look at 3 different methods, but first of all let's look at what happens if we just do a normal copy. I've got formulas in these 2 columns here. Copy, come down here and paste, and I get the value error. If I look at the formulas, you can see that it's referring to A12 and then minus ref, and that basically means you're referring to a cell that doesn't exist on the spreadsheet. Now if you know about copying formulas, the reason for that is that okay, the first cell that I refer to is one cell to the left of my formula cell, but the second cell I refer to is 3 cells to the left. Now if I go 3 cells to the left of our cell here, I end up off the spreadsheet, and that's why I'm getting the ref error. Normal copy and paste will not work in this scenario. The first method I'm going to show you how to use is where you copy the actual text of the formula. You can do that either by copying the text up in the formula bar. I copy it up there, then click into the cell you want to copy the formula to, back up to the formula bar and paste the text of the formula in there, and then you see if I copy it down it works. The other thing you could do is copy the text of the formula from within the cell itself. You need to go into edit mode to see the formula. 2 ways of doing that. You can double click in the cell, that reveals the formula text, or you can use the F2 key on your keyboard. So I copy it there, and I come down here, double click into the cell to put it into edit mode, or you could press F2 and paste in the formula text, and then I can just copy that down. Now if you had lots and lots of different columns, that might be quite a time-consuming method, but where you only have a couple of columns, that's absolutely fine. Let's move on to the second method, which uses find and replace. To use this method, select all the cells that contain your formula, and to open the find and replace dialog box, use the shortcut key Ctrl-H. What we're going to do here is replace all the equal signs with a hash symbol. Now, it doesn't have to be a hash symbol, but it should be something that doesn't normally appear in a formula. And if I click on replace all, that converts all of my formulas into text values, which I can then copy to my new location. Now what I need to do is make these formulas again, both the original version and the copied version. Just click in one cell, doesn't matter which cell it is, and back to Ctrl-H. And I just need to swap these around. I'm going to make the hashes into equal signs, then replace all. Click on OK and close this down. And you can see that I now have formulas in my copied range as well as my original range. The final method I've called the Notepad method. And with this method, you need to show formulas on your spreadsheet. To achieve that, go up to the Formulas tab on your ribbon and click on Show Formulas. If you now look, instead of the results of the formula, you can see the formula themselves. What I do is I copy that, and I open up Notepad, and I paste the formulas into Notepad. Then I copy those formulas in Notepad, come down to the first cell that I want to copy formulas into, and paste. Then I go back up to the ribbon, and I click on Show Formulas, and that shows the results of the formulas again. Okay, so 3 methods for copying formulas without changing references. Thanks very much for listening. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have, please subscribe, and I'll see you next video.